Two new federal benefits are now available to Canadians. People who were forced to take time off work to care for a dependent because of the pandemic can apply for financial help. Couteur explains what's available and who qualifies.
Bye-bye. Hello.
Playing with her 8-month-old daughter is a welcome break from the daily stress of COVID-19. Julia Wilson and her husband were self-employed but are now unemployed because of the pandemic. And Wilson can't work because her daughter was diagnosed with congenital thyroid disorder, meaning she can't go to daycare.
Anything like a simple cold or anything, she won't be able to fight as well as others, which could land her in the hospital.
It's why she had to apply for the new Caregiver benefit, which started today. It will provide $500 per week for up to 26 weeks in households where one person missed more than half their work week because they have to care for a family member as a result of COVID-19. It's estimated 700,000 people will apply for it. Also starting today, paid sick leave. That will make up $500 per week for a maximum of 2 weeks for people who had contracted COVID-19 or had to isolate because they were exposed to the virus. The government believes nearly 4.5 million Canadians could benefit from it.
That's a major victory for Canadian workers.
Both of the new benefits were the result of negotiations with the NDP to keep the Liberal minority government afloat. The Conservatives point out there's a gap between the first wave of benefits and this one, blaming the Liberals if some Canadians fall through the cracks.
We've said all along that prorogation actually wasted 6 valuable weeks when committees could have been considering, discussing.
The government contends no one will be left behind.
Individuals will have to first, on the first period, apply in arrears, but then receive the funds automatically, and then ongoing from there. It's the same process, so they're really, in terms of the timing of the payments, when it all comes out, it'll come out the same amount for the same period of time.
The application process for the replacement to the CERB, the Canada Recovery Benefit, which is for self-employed workers and those not eligible for EI, starts on October 12th, and it too will be paid in arrears 2 weeks at a time. Donna?
All right, Couteur in Ottawa, thanks.